Hello students, hope you all are safe at home and enjoying your holidays. Today I am going to start Maths chapter 3, which is addition. Here the name of the lesson is given addition. Addition means the act of adding anything or to put things together. There are different ways of addition. First, addition by counting. Second, addition by drawing lines. And third, finger counting. Now, we will know one by one. So, let's start first method, addition by counting. This method we will understand with the help of example. How many tomatoes are there altogether? You can see there are 3 tomatoes and there are 2 tomatoes. 3 plus 2. Now let's add the tomatoes by counting on. Here you can see 3 tomatoes and here you can see 2 tomatoes. So 1, 2, 3. After 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So there are 5 tomatoes altogether. I hope you all have understood this method addition by counting. So now we will start book exercise and know more about addition by counting. Addition by counting. Count the number of objects in each collection and fill in the placeholder. As you can see, there are 2 cups and there are 3 cups. Now we have to find the answer how many cups are all together. So, for this we will count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 cups altogether. In second one, you can see there are 1 spoon and there are 5 spoons. Now we have to find the answer how many spoons are all together. For this, again we will start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 spoons altogether. Or in number we can say 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So in that box we will write 6. Third one, there are 3 rabbits and there are 4 rabbits. So 3 is already written, 4 you will write in this box. After that we will count how many rabbits are all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 rabbits all together. So we will write here 7 in this box. There are 2 balls. We will write 2. There is 1 ball. So we will write 1. Now we have to find how many total balls are there. So for this, again we will start counting. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balls altogether. This page is homework for you all. Now we will know about next method, that is addition by drawing lines or addition using lines. In this method, we will know how to add using lines. Look at this example. Add 5 and 4. To add 5 and 4, first keep the greater number 5 in mind. Later, draw as many lines as the smaller number 4. Now count the lines after the greater number 5 one by one. Say after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now the answer is 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Here other example is given. Let us add 3 and 5. For this, first you have to draw 3 standing lines. 1, 2, 3. After that, again you have to draw 5 more standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now let's start book exercise. Add by drawing lines. One has been done for you. As you can see, one is already done for you. So we will start second one. That is 2 plus 3. For this, you can see here 2 standing lines and 3 standing lines. Now we will count total lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Third one, 3 plus 4. For this, first you will draw 3 standing lines. 1, 2, 3. After that, again you will draw 4 standing lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now count the total number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Now this page is your homework. Complete this page also. Fill in the placeholders. This page you will complete by using the method addition using lines. Next method is finger counting. In this method, we will use fingers of our hands to count the numbers. First we will know how many fingers are there in both the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 fingers in both hands. Let us see examples. Do you know what is 5 plus 2 or how 5 plus 2 is equal to 7? Let us use count fingers to find the answer. First, put the number 5 in the box or in this heart. And then put out 2 fingers. We can start to count now. After 5, 6 and 7. Finally, we get 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Let's calculate one more question. Use the fingers to find the answer. To solve this question, we will use fingers of both the hands. How 5 plus 7 is equal to 12? First, put the number 5 in the heart. Then put out 7 fingers. We can start to count. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Here another way we can see. Suppose this is our hand. Now first we will learn how many fingers are there in our one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers in a one hand. Now we will know about each finger individually. You can see there is partition in each finger. There are lines in each finger. You can see this. So we can say that in each finger there are 3 sections. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 4 plus 3. To solve this question, we will use this method. For this question, first we will keep 4 side, or we will keep 4 in our mind. After that, we will start counting using our hand. We need only 3 parts, so we will use only one finger and count after 4. Only one finger. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. You can also use this method to calculate any numbers. Here some questions are given that you will complete in your book. Here you can see some word problems are given. One is already done for you, that is first one. Second, Lata buys 4 toys from one shop and 5 from another. How many toys does she buy in all? First, you will write 4 toys. 4. Because Lata buys 4 toys from one shop and after that 5 from another. You will write 5. Now you will add, because you have to find how many toys does she buy in all. You have to calculate 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. See fourth question. There are 5 cups in one tray and 2 cups in another tray. How many cups are there altogether? So first, there are 5 cups in one tray. So you will write 5. After that, 2 cups in another tray. You will write 2. After that, you will add 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Word problems you can do by using any method. Addition by counting, addition by drawing lines and finger counting. Now these all questions you will complete as your homework. Thank you.